Hey, online shoppers, pause, let's talk about Elle Toronto. Is it the real deal, or just a glossy scam hiding behind pretty pictures? I dove into the latest 2026 reviews and, honestly, what I found is wild. First off, Elle Toronto loves to market itself as a local Canadian or Australian brand. But here's the twist. Your package? It's almost always shipping from China. So, that local business vibe? Yeah, it's just part of the sales pitch. The biggest complaints? Let's just say, don't trust those camera-ready product shots. Tons of people have received clothes that are thin, poorly sewn, and made from cheap polyester. It's what you'd call a classic bait and switch. And if you're hoping for an easy return, brace yourself. Returns go straight back to China, and the shipping costs? Sometimes $40 or more per item. That's often more than you paid for the piece itself. Sizing is a whole other headache. Imagine ordering an XL and getting something that barely fits a kid. That's what a lot of buyers are reporting. Now, you might see a handful of glowing 5-star reviews out there. But, with so many complaints popping up on Reddit and Trustpilot, a lot of people think those positive reviews just aren't legit. Bottom line, if you're browsing Elle Toronto or any of their related brands, slow down. The risks are high. So if you get something that's not as described, your best bet might be contacting your bank for a chargeback. Stay smart, stay safe, and always double-check before hitting that Buy Now button. Subtitle: Elle Toronto. Is it worth your trust? Let me know in the comments if you've had any experience with them.